Hey guys, today we're starting a new series with y'all. This time it's something special. We are making a racing bike. We thought about it off camera for a little bit so we could have everything in motion because it's a lot of cutting, welding, a lot of thinking because we're gonna have to do some math just to have this engine on this bike, and we're gonna show y'all everything real quick. So here it is. We have these two bikes. This is an old, I guess, mounting bike, and we have this other mounting bike. Yeah, they're more for like trails and stuff. This one has an actual old strut, so it could help us out with that. And we got these pieces. We got this from a junkyard. Roll the clip. This we took out from throttle off of this old bike. All right. And yeah.
It's for an electric scooter. Yeah, we got this one, a regular scooter. And it's gonna go in the front of that frame. We're gonna cut the handlebar. We're gonna cut some of this piece right here for the shocks. And we're gonna put a piece of the electric scooter. That piece is gonna go on the bottom. And then the engine. That's why we're using the bigger frame, so we can fit the engine. All right, so let's get to it.
So this is how the whole idea started. So we have this old engine here locked up in our shed. It's under a whole bunch of stuff. And it's an engine that we got from Harbor Tool Freight, and we just want to put it on a bike. So here it is. I'm gonna show y'all. Yeah, see, it's under all this junk. Clean the shed out a little bit and actually use this engine. See, it's a Predator engine, 212 cc. All right, so we got everything out of the shed, and we got some more stuff. We got these steel tubes. I guess they were for poles. And we got some of these brackets, I'm guessing for closets. See, these are the steel tubes and the brackets. They're painted white, so yeah, we could maybe just strip them off of their paint using a paint thinner, a sander, a wire brush, whatever makes it, so we could get to that bare metal. Wait, give me a second. Wait a second. You don't got another one?
Oh fuck.
Yeah, I had a feeling. I felt some big pieces. You don't got another one? Yeah, that shit's not good to go with that shit.
seal it. Try to seal it or something. Weld it in, you know?
Yeah, weld it in.
Weld it. Grease it up first, then weld it.
And here are some extra parts that were removed from this old bike. Maybe in the future we could reuse them in the same build, maybe not, we gotta see. This is all part of our brainstorming phase that we're going through right now. All right, so that's it for today. Today we're just cutting some parts up, making sure that we could get the frame together with doing a little bit of math, and giving y'all that little final preview for the next video that we're gonna do, which is pretty much welding. So that should be interesting, that should be fun. We're still getting our welding gear together. We still gotta get helmets, gloves. Our stick welder is about to come through, and we should see how everything should go. That's it for today. Hope you guys like, subscribe, and if you got any more suggestions or even just questions, ask below in the comment section. We are not afraid to talk to y'all. We love talking to y'all. Thanks for watching.